I did a whole recording and it got deleted. I think I don't have space anymore. But I just wanted to finish up the holding space. And I was saying, shout out to my friends for holding me down. I know at times I struggle. Sometimes I do come across, or an opinion shared does come across as judgmental, but that's never the intention. And that's the biggest part of holding space, right, for somebody. But I just wanted to also share, I hope my friends don't mind me sharing this part, but some of us take our holding space to an extreme where literally the next person's life reflects yours, or we go through breakups at the same time, or such things, such minor things, or a spiritual awakening at the same time, or we even dream the same kind of thing, or this friend mirrors this friend, and right now there's a friend of mine where I really hope you don't mind hearing about this, but we battle things like where you can't even say certain things in your own yard because there's certain spiritual entities where everything becomes a block, and you can't pass in your own yard, you can't affirm anything in your own yard, you can't do your affirmations in your own yard because it's nice, and where you now need to go outside the shrine or at mountains or at the water to go bigger your stuff. But sometimes you really just want to be at your thingy, at your samo, and now to experience a win. I think last week was just a week of wins. To experience a win, a friend that is going through a win, is amazing. And because of the mirror, what happens there is going to happen here as well. To see a renewed faith and a renewed hope in a friend. I'm going to try one more time, and that's all I always advocate for. Guti. Unfortunately, above everything else, there's the universal laws, unbreakable, like whatever, spiritual things, spiritual attacks, and but there's the universal law where, I don't know, we'll get into that, and maybe at this time it's not something that you want to hear, but there's tricks, there's secrets, there's frequencies that people need to tap into. But basically that's what holding space, no judgment, be there for somebody, don't make it about yourself. Even your therapist holds space for some of us who've got shrinks, and some who are lucky to have it also dabble in spiritual stuff as well. I hope I covered it. I hope it makes sense. I hope this one is not deleted. Happy today.